In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a Google form. Let's start by opening the Google form where you want the image to appear. You can get there from forms.google.com or by opening it from your Google Drive. Make sure you're in editing mode and looking at the main form builder, not the Responses tab. If you're working with a form that already has questions, scroll to the spot where you want the image to live so you can drop it in exactly where it makes sense for your audience. Next, we'll insert the image. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click the Add Image button. It looks like a small picture icon with a plus sign. This creates a dedicated image block in your form. If you ever want an image tied directly to a specific question instead, you can also find a little image icon within that question's toolbar. But for now, we're adding an image as its own item so it stands out clearly. Now select the image you want to use. A window will pop up letting you upload from your computer, your Google Drive, Google Photos, by URL, or even a quick search. Choose a clear, high-quality file. JPG and PNG usually work best. And keep an eye on file size so it loads quickly for respondents. Once you've picked your image, click Insert, and it will appear in your form right where your cursor was. With the image in place, you can fine-tune it. Click the image to reveal blue handles around the corners. Drag those to resize so it's readable but not overwhelming. To move the image block up or down, use the 6-dot drag handle on the left and slide it to the perfect spot between questions. You can also click the 3 dots on the image item to add a short caption or remove it if you change your mind. Captions are a great way to provide context or a brief description, especially if the image explains a question. Finally, preview your form to make sure everything looks good to respondents. In the top right, click the eye icon to open a live preview. Check how the image displays on both desktop and, if possible, a smaller window to simulate mobile. Look for any awkward spacing or text wrapping, and confirm that the image supports your questions without distracting from them. If something feels off, close the preview, return to the editor, and adjust the size or position until it feels just right. That's it. Your Google form now includes a clean, well-placed image. Save your changes and you're good to share.